In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a cash advance from your American Express card. Before you head out, start by confirming that the cash advance feature is enabled on your card and that you have your 4-digit PIN ready. Not every card has cash advances turned on by default, and without a PIN, the transaction won't go through. If you're unsure, check your account details or support resources to confirm both are set. It's a quick check that can save you a trip. Once you're set, go to an ATM that accepts American Express. Look for the American Express logo on the machine or on the ATM network signage. Using an in-network or widely accepted ATM can help avoid extra surcharges from the machine operator. When you reach the ATM, insert your card, enter your 4-digit PIN, and choose the cash advance or withdrawal option. Some ATMs label it differently, but it's typically listed alongside other withdrawal choices. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that your cash advance limit is usually lower than your overall credit limit, and there may be per transaction or daily caps. If the machine declines the amount, try a smaller figure within your available cash advance limit. Once you confirm, complete the transaction and take your cash and receipt. Hold on to that receipt so you can keep track of the fees and the amount posted to your account. If you prefer not to use an ATM, you can also request a cash advance in person at participating banks or financial institutions. Walk up to the counter with your card and let them know you'd like a cash advance. Policies vary by location, and you may be asked to present a valid ID in addition to your card. The teller will process the request and provide you with the cash and a receipt. A quick but important reminder, cash advances come with fees and interest that typically start accruing immediately. There's no grace period like you might have with regular purchases. You'll likely see a one-time cash advance fee plus a higher APR applied right away. Because of this, it's smart to borrow only what you need and plan to pay it back as soon as possible to reduce interest costs. Also, watch for ATM operator fees, which are separate from card issuer fees. And that's it. Enable the feature and PIN, use an ATM that accepts American Express or visit a participating bank, withdraw the amount you need, and be mindful of fees, interest, and limits.